thing. It's just absolutely amazing to drive. Like I said, it's unreal. Hey guys, what's going on? Mark here from MGA Drive. So today we're going to be doing 5 of the best. That's 5 of the best for my Ford Focus RS. Things that I like, basically love about my car. So let's kick it off. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 for my Ford Focus RS would have to be the overall look of the car. The styling, just basically the whole look of how it looks. I'm very happy of what Ford have done with the car, how they've developed it, the actual overall look. Just got that real rally sort of bred look to it, like it's it's pumped up, like it's been injected with poison or something. It's got that look, you know. If you were someone else driving in front and you see this thing coming up behind you, I'd be pretty worried. And it's got that real mean streak to it, that real look like it wants to pounce on you. So it's like sort of saying, get out of the way, I'm behind you. So just really happy how it looks with the splitter on it and the rear spoiler, and just that whole look of what they've done. Like I said, what Ford have done, definitely a good look. So thumbs up for Ford. Pretty happy with the styling. That's number 1. Number 2 for me would have to be the actual interior. I know it's no AMG or no Audi, but I think Ford again have done it pretty good, you know, for the money spent on the car. Obviously you get the Recaro seats, the back seats, the steering wheel. Pretty happy with that. The stitching, the blue stitching. It's, you know, it's not too over the top or too too undone. I think it's just right for the caliber of the car. So definitely the seats and the interior and then the dash. That's one thing I do like about sitting in it. For me, you know, sitting in it every day as a daily driving to work, it's definitely an experience for me driving this car, and that's one of the reasons why I did buy it. So the overall gist of being inside of it and the outside look, it's definitely another thumbs up for me for the interior. So that was number 2. Let's kick it off for number 3. Number 3 for me would definitely have to be the different modes that this car comes with. Sorry guys, being cut off by someone. Would have to be definitely the different modes. Obviously you got your standard mode, your sports mode, your track mode and your drift mode. I think that in itself is just, I think it's just a blast, you know, for you to have that mode there that you can actually put in and select your mode of what style of drive that you want to be driving. Yeah, as soon as you put in that sports mode, you can, obviously the exhaust opens up and the throttle response is basically straight away there when you want to get onto it. It's just, this thing just rips. I'm really happy with how it drives. It's not shy around corners. Like I said last time, you sort of point it where you want to go in the direction and it just takes off. It's like a bloody rocket. So definitely the modes, the track mode can use a fair bit. Obviously the suspension does stick it up a fair bit. So pretty happy with that. The drift mode, I haven't had a chance to use the actual drift mode. So number 4 for me would have to be definitely, I know it's not the best time to say it with all the dramas going on with the head gasket, but would have to actually be the 2.3 litre EcoBoost twin scroll turbo. just the output that you get from this motor is something crazy. 257 kilowatt, 440 newton meters of torque. It's on tap every time you want it, and just the sound. Obviously, I know it's, in collaboration with the exhaust system, but just the whole setup of the motor, and it's, I think, again, hit the nail on the head with it. It's just, yeah, as soon as you put your foot down, you punch it. It's got some instant punch, some instant torque. So definitely for me would have to be the motor. Definitely another thumbs up. I hate to say that, but I reckon they've done a great job. So the motor for me. Number 5, top 5 for me, the best thing I love about me Ford Focus RS. That's the launch control, guys. To go into that, you got to go into your settings. It's a bit tricky to sort of, not find, just takes a while. Could have been an easier setup. So you guys have probably seen this before. Scroll down. Settings, okay. Driver assist, if you can see that. Better. Okay, that. Launch control. Once you've ticked that, hold down the accelerator and it'll grab at about 5,000 revs. Sort of put your foot down and then away it goes. So guys, that was it there. That was the launch control. It's pretty weird the first few times when you do it, I must admit. I have done it a fair few times now. I feel bad doing it. I think I did mention that Ford do disclaimer that it doesn't ruin obviously the clutch setup on it that makes it take off like a rocket. I do feel bad using it, but I did want to get you guys that footage. So I hope you enjoyed that bit of footage there. It's a bit hard. I'm not on a proper track. Sort of got to find a quiet place. Sort of can't get it to its full peak capacity. Obviously, you know, top speeds, got to be careful, but it's just that initial kick-off. Once you do activate launch control and take off, it does throw you back in the seat, and that first gear just rips. It throws you straight back, and before you know it, you're doing some crazy speeds. But yeah, it does put a smile to your face. It's like you're in a super stage for a WRC or a Group N rally. It's pretty mad stuff. But just wanted to say also too, guys, a big thank you to all the subscribers that have subscribed to MGA Drive. I know you guys are taking time out of your busy lives, so thanks for taking the time watching me rant or laugh or me talk to you guys. So cheers, and big thank you. So thanks to the subscribers. Sorry I haven't been on. I have had computer dramas with my computer. I've had a few gremlins, so I haven't been able to recently upload any videos, which is a bit of a disappointment. But there will be more content coming on the Focus, on the RS, and the other car related stuff as well too. And just want to say thank you again, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, send us a comment. Don't forget to hit that notifications button as well. That way when I do upload a video, it will send you guys a link to or notifications I should say, to let you know that I have posted another video. So like I said, click it, send us a like,